I casually checked my screen time and I'm amazed at what I saw. 12 hours 23 minutes on Friday. Oh my goodness. Like that's half of a whole day spent on my screen. How many hours did I sleep again? And look at, I unlocked my phone 52 good times. So that's for Friday. Look at Thursday, look at Wednesday, and different days of the week. My God, we spend a lot of time, and I complain I don't have time. So I'm going to show you how to check your screen time on your phone. So open your phone settings. You're going to learn how to reduce your screen time if you wish to. As you open your phone settings, go to app management. So when you go to app management, you will see screen time. Just type on that, tap screen time. When you tap screen time, it's going to show you for that day, like today, 2 hours 17 minutes. So you are going to see different days if you check them, and the apps that use the time, how the time was distributed. Look at YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and all things that have meaning and no meaning. So I'm going to set a timer for my Instagram and other apps. So I'll just show you for Instagram too, so that you can see how it works and how it's going to affect me. So I want to set 15 minutes. So I'm going to click on this timer icon as highlighted. When I click on it, it will bring out this hour and minute for me to set. So I'll just scroll down or up depending on the number of minutes I want. So I'm going to set 15 minutes. Once I'm done, I click on OK. So you can see my Instagram have changed. Look at the real Instagram and look at the frozen one. The color has changed to gray. So I'm going to go back to my app list, and you can see that it's still going to be showing gray because I have used more than 15 minutes for the day. So when I look at my Instagram app, you can see the color, it's not active again. So when I try to open it, say your Instagram timer ran out, it will start again tomorrow. So I cannot use it again for the day. This is how to save time. So if you cannot find your timer through settings, here is another way to do it. Hold the app you want to check, press on app info. When you click on app info, you see screen time there. So when you see screen time, just open it and it will show you how you used your screen for that day. You can still see that it is the same thing. So you can check for other days and all of that. You can do the same thing for other apps. You can set this timer. Once you set it, once that number of minutes you set is over, you cannot use that app again for that day unless you go back to your app and reset the timer. So I think this is a very good way. You don't need extra app to do this. It's already on your phone. This is a very good way to manage your digital well-being. You have a lot of time on your hand. I have a lot of time, but what are we using that time to do? It's up to you to ask yourself while I ask myself. So tell me in the comments, what app has the highest screen time on your device? Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, because a lot of people think they don't have time, but they don't know they are using their time on their phone. They're spending a lot of time on their phone. So subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.